Hello, 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 everyone. Ooh, yes, my voice is still messed up. I can't wait till it comes back. But doing another little drop in. So, of course, getting ready for my birthday weekend. Just got my nails and toes done. Didn't do anything too drastic, too fancy, because, I still got to return to work. And I don't like all that attention on my hands and stuff like that. So, one day I'm going to get back to my rhinestones and designs and stuff like that. But I wanted to go ahead and comment and talk to my new subscribers. And I appreciate all of y'all. I really do. I thank all of y'all for the support, subscribing, and everything like that. So for my birthday month, I also wanted to do a challenge because I appreciate y'all. Without your growth, without your support, without, you commenting, liking, and sharing, and all that kind of stuff, I wouldn't be able to grow my channel. So I truly appreciate you guys, each and every one of you. The comments, engagements, the likes, the encouraging words. I appreciate you. So for the month of November, Scorpio season, yes, and that is my birthday month. Yes, so I want to do Lunch on Me Fridays. So what that entails is my best friend is going to assist me, and we are going to calculate the comments, the likes. We're trying to see how we can go in and see who actually likes, because right now, this camera got me looking real radiant orangey, but anyway, trying to see how we can really look and see who is commenting and everything like that. I am filming on my Android right now, so I don't know if that's the difference, but hey, it is what it is. I'm going. Thank you, boo. Long as I'm putting out content, right? I'm running errands, so I'm out here. But anyway, back to Lunch on Me Friday. So it ain't gonna be nowhere you finna go get no big old lunch or lunch for the office or even lunch for you and your kids, unless you're going to the McDonald's 4 for $5, whatever kind of combo they have going on. But on Fridays, I am going to either Zelle or Cash App. That's the only option, Zelle or Cash App. I guess I can do PayPal. I'll have to think about it. So Zelle, Cash App, and maybe PayPal. I have to look into it. I'm gonna send you $25. So all you have to do, of course, for the month of November, I'm going to be dropping a lot of content for the month of November, because, I have goals and I want to be able to treat you guys. So all you have to do, if I post, you just comment on it, let that video play for 5 to 6 minutes. I'm not going to do any truly long 30-minute videos. I said 30-minute videos, child. See, sometimes I be just like, blah, 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 blah. But anyway, I'm not going to do too many long, because I'm noticing that they do well. But right now, I might only do like 2 or 3 of those a week. But I'm going to be dropping a lot of 8 to 11-minute videos. Just to put the message out there. So this message right here is talking about join the challenge. It's easy. It's simple. And you're already subscribing. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you do subscribe. But subscribe, and comment. And let the video play for a good 3 to 5 minutes. Let it play. And we're going to do this together. So Lunch on Me on Fridays. So you got not this Friday, the next Friday in November. So it's going to be, let me look. I'm at a light so I can look. So it's going to be November 8th, 15th, 22nd, and 29th. Lunch is on me. And my goal, and I know y'all, because y'all are so supportive, will help me reach this goal by December 1st. I want to get up to 5,000 subscribers. I got a message out there to get, and I'm ready to go ahead and connect with like-minded women, like-minded bosses, ones that realize we ain't about the foolishness, women of God, women walking in their purpose. Women who have been through some things and are making a change in their life. Women who don't have a problem with being accountable and focus on what they need to do better. Not focusing on what everybody else needs to do better, but what can you do better to better yourself. So make sure y'all subscribe, and comment on as many videos. You can even go down and do the older ones. You can do that. I would, prefer you to keep commenting on my videos. Not so much my replay lives. I want you guys to comment on my videos. Get in my lives, yes, get in my lives, do what you do or whatever. And you don't have to be a member. So you don't have to spend any money to be involved in this challenge. All you have to do is make sure you're a subscriber, make sure you like, comment, and share. Those simple things, okay? And again, I appreciate each and every one of you. You guys are on this journey with me, the squad, hey, you know, and we're gonna do this. We are gonna do this. And if you have a channel, you know, comment small YouTuber, new YouTuber, or whatever in the comments so other people can go ahead and connect with you. That is what we are here for. Let's connect with each other. Okay, so y'all have a good one. Make sure you like, subscribe, and lunch on me on Fridays.